The after repair value, or the ARV, is a fantastic way for us as investors to know how much we're going to make on a property after we fix it up. There's so many great ways and things about ARV that's going to help us in real estate investing. Hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner with Master Passive Income. I so want you to invest in real estate, and that's why I wanted to show you this video on after repair value. Now, I invest in buy and hold properties. So I buy a rental property, I fix it up, it's worth more, and then I rent it out. But then after time, because it's worth more, I refinance it. I pull that money out because the value is more than I owe. So I owe this much, I fix it up, the after repair value is up here, I fix it up, that difference is equity. I cash out and pull my money out and use that on my property. And another great reason for having a good high after repair value, and I'll show you how to calculate all the after repair value and everything in just a second. But another great thing is if you're going to fix up a property, you're going to know that you're going to have more value in the home after you fix it up. Let's say you're buying a house for yourself. You're buying a house that you're going to live in. Let's say you pay $150,000, but you know it needs a good amount of work. It needs a new kitchen, it needs a front yard, it needs new paint and flooring. You're probably going to put $20,000 into the property. You buy it for $150,000. You put $20,000 into the property. Now, the great thing is because you put $20,000, the value is worth more. So $150,000 plus $20,000, that's $170,000 total all in. Rehab costs, buying the house. But the value could be worth $200,000. So you've appreciated it $50,000. So remember, you had $20,000 you spent for it, but you appreciated $30,000 more. That's a $50,000 increase in appreciation because you fix it up. Now, the after repair value is theoretical mostly. So when we talk about the ARV, or the after repair value, it's not after we're completely done and we've already fixed up and refinished and did all the thing on the property. No, it's before we buy the property, we're going to see if I put in, or what needs to be done. First, we look at how much we're buying for. Then second, we're looking at how much needs to be done on the property. If it needs a kitchen, needs flooring, needs paint, I can calculate that. Okay, it's going to cost me $20,000 for all that. What would it be worth with a brand new kitchen, new flooring, new paint, new front yard? What would it be worth? And we look at comparable sales. And I have videos for all, like everything that I'm talking about, like comparable sales. Check out the video below on comparable sales, how to flip properties, all that sort of stuff. Check out the description for all the other videos that I've created for those. But what you're going to look at is before you even buy the house, before you even put any money into it or hammer a nail, you're already going to know what it's going to be worth if you fix it up. So let's say you buy the house for $150,000. You know you're going to put $20,000 into it, but you know from comparable sales, it's also going to be worth $200,000. So the after repair value, in your mind, you're thinking, if I put $20,000 into this, it's going to be worth $200,000. So that's the after repair value. Now, banks use this as well, not just us as investors. Banks will use this as well to figure out how much a property is going to be worth if you fix it up. Now, what I've done is I've refinanced my home. See, now what I do is I invest in real estate rental properties, buy and hold, single family homes. That's what I invest in. And I've literally cashed out. I've done cash out refinances on my personal residence where I currently live. I would refinance it. I've done it at least 3 or 4 times because it had equity. I cashed it out. It got more equity. I cashed it out. I got more equity, cashed it out. And each time I cashed it out, I bought rental properties that made me $250 or more every single month in passive income. Now I have 30 plus properties. I literally don't need to work. And I'm just, having fun talking to you about it. But what I do now is the bank looks at the after repair value. So I was thinking about fixing up my kitchen in my house. This is my personal residence. I was thinking about gutting it out, remodeling the entire kitchen. I'm talking to my bank and seeing how much can I refinance my house for? How much cash can I pull out? Well, they looked at the after repair value, said if you remodel the entire kitchen, comparable sales are going to show it should be worth $315,000. This is for my old house. We will give you up to $315,000 and we'll lend you that much money, or 75%, whatever their criteria was. If you fix it up, if you do X, Y, and Z, this is how much we can lend you. So I'm looking at, remember, it's theoretical, the after repair value. I'm thinking, my goodness, if I put $20,000 into it, I can cash out $60,000 because it makes the value that much more. I'm going to do it. So that's the after repair value. We're utilizing that as a way to know how much equity we're going to have, how much equity we're going to grow. Now, here's another great thing. When you're investing in real estate rental properties, if you're buying your properties, we make money 6 different ways. Number one, we get equity capture. Equity capture, like it's worth $150,000, but we buy it for $120,000. We captured $30,000 in equity. Another one is forced appreciation, and that is basically the after repair value. There's six total. I don't need to get into those. I have other videos I talk all about that, like where the tenant pays down your debt, where you have tax deferment, where you have market appreciation. So many great ways, and passive income. That's the biggest one, having $250 or more coming in your pocket. But the forced appreciation is where you are going to have the appreciation forced up. Like you're making that appreciate the value of that home, the repair value up, because you're fixing up the property. You're forcing the value of it up. So the after repair value is now, instead of being, let's say, $100,000, $120,000, it's now $150,000 because you forced that appreciation up. So with ARV, the after repair value, it's theoretical. It helps you to know how much money you should put in a property. Now, here's a caveat, or here's a huge pro tip. If the after repair value, you've done all your comps, you're looking and you're seeing, if I put $50,000, or let's just go back to the same numbers. If I put $20,000 into this property, it's only going to appreciate at $20,000. Get that? So I pay $20,000. It appreciates as much as I paid for it. It might not be worth to actually put that money into it because it's not going to force the appreciation up. So there's many great things. Utilize this, the after repair value, to help you understand the direction that you're going in the property. And watch this video, subscribe to my channel. I want to give you so many great things on how to invest in real estate. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.